Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello to everyone. My name is Arif and this all handsome gentleman from group 5 will present to you all a design of smoke detector that can not just give you a review about the smoke but also make you safe from the fire. So we begin with the first thing that we should know. What is the smoke detector? So a smoke detector is an electronic fire protection device that automatically senses the presence of smoke as a key indication of fire and sound a warning to building occupants.
Hello everyone. My name is Lizzie, nice to meet you. The gentleman from group 5 had make this animation so that you all can understand the smoke detectors that they had designed. Let's watch together. Come on. Good morning Mrs. Green, how are you today? Good morning Lizzie, I'm fine thank you. Mrs. Green, are you know about smoke detector? Of course Lizzie. What you want to know about? Oh, great. How does it work? Let's say, if you was making an omelette and then left it to take a phone call. The omelette will burn and produce some amount of smoke. So the device will automatically sense the presence of smoke, as a key indication of fire, and sounds a warning to building occupants. What? I never thought about something like that. I think, maybe I need to install one in my home. Mrs. Green, where did I need to put that device? You can put that device in your kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom and garage. Oh, thank you Mrs. Green, now I will go to nearest supermarket to buy the device. You are welcome, have a nice day.
Much later.
Where are you going, Lizzie?
I want to go to Tesco and buy a smoke detector.
What type of smoke detectors that you want to buy?
Oh my god. I forgot to ask Mrs. Green about that.
Don't worry, basically there are just two type of smoke detectors that we affordable to buy.
What is the types? Can you explain it to me?
First type is ionization smoke detector and the second one is photoelectric smoke detector.
Oh I see, which one is more effective?
I prefer the ionization types, cause it much more efficient. Oh, by the way, in the town hall there was an expo that promoted some new electrical device. I think I saw smoke detector there. Maybe you can go and take a look.
Wow Samir, that's really interesting. Thanks, have a nice day.
You are welcome, have a nice day too.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hello sir.
Welcome to 4.0 Industries Expo 2021. What are you looking for, miss?
Where can I find a smoke detector?
Oh, you come to a right place. We from Group 5 company got a brand new smoke detector.
That great, can you tell me more about the smoke detector?
Miss, our smoke detector got a screen that can show you notifications when detecting a smoke around the place that you install it. Just like other smoke detector, it will sound the warning so that you can take the action, either to call firefighters or use fire extinguisher.
Wow, it's so interesting. Can you show me how does it work?
Of course, miss. Let's take a look to our smoke detector simulator using tinkercade.com.
Okay, as you see before, that is the simulation about our smoke detector. So before I do the simulation again, I want you to know what the component that we use in this project to build this smoke detector design. So first of all, we got a Arduino Uno R3 and one piezo, the gas sensor, the resistor for 1 kilo ohm and the resistor for 2 kilo ohm that we got 4 of them, one red LED and one green LED. The next one is LCD with 16 multiple 2 size of the screen. So I will show you again the simulator, but before that I will explain to you a bit about the code that we are used. So as you know, we construct this code as simple to build this simulation or this design. So it should be like this. and in the report we can see the flow chart, so you can understand the code much easier. So now I will make again, show you again about the simulator.
Okay. Okay. When the gas sensor is not detecting any gas at the surrounding, the Arduino Uno will send the data to show LCD, which is kawasan selamat berhati-hati. And as we can see, the green LED is turned on, which mean it is in safe condition. Okay, so when this is smoke, when the gas sensor is detecting the smoke, it will make a noise sound, and the display will show okay. It is very nice that the user can be alerted and make the safety procedure. As you just see yet, the red LED will blinking, which make the user is more alerted to the sensor. So when this smoke detector is working, it will help the user to make a safety procedure, which is extinguish the fire before it's getting worse, or make a emergency call. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Fantastic, your smoke detector is really good.
Thanks, miss. So, do you want to buy one?
Of course. How much did it cost for the product and installation?
Oh, for young and pretty lady like you we got 50% discount from 50 ringgit to just 25 ringgit per unit. How about that deal?
Gross. Give me 2 unit for kitchen and garage.
50 ringgit please, you can cash or using credit card.
Thanks, have a nice day.
You are welcome, come again next time. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.